Sometimes the greatest rewards can be found in the unlikeliest places. Good morning and welcome. It's 3:30 a.m. right now at the domestic airport in Mumbai. On my way to Leh Ladakh. Best way to celebrate the birthday month. So here I am on my flight to Chandigarh. From Chandigarh, I'm going to take a car and self-drive all the way to Leh, taking a halt in between at Jispa. So that's the current plan. Landed in Chandigarh and now just picked up our bags and gonna go and meet the car driver, check the car, and then off we are. Okay, so this is the car, and the plan is that we are going to leave from the airport and we are going to head towards Jispa. The driver has just said that we might not reach Jispa today because of the long duration and the roads being shut on the way. But we are still going to try and see how close we can reach, and then we can decide from there. So off we go. Finally reached Jispa at around 8:05 p.m. Long day. Uh, First the flight at 4:55 a.m. and then the drive from Chandigarh to Jispa was pretty long, but made it. Woke up at 6:30 a.m. and just trying to get accustomed to the cold weather. The idea is that gonna drive from Jispa to Leh today. The reason to wake up so early is of course because the journey and the travel time is about 8 to 9 hours. But in between, there are two passes and they are open only for a few minutes. So the two passes will take a couple of halts where we will have to wait in long queues for the trucks and the cars to move around itself. Let's head to Leh. On my way to Baralacha Pass. And I've taken a few break. I know it's gross, but it can become a little too much for some people traveling by car. So you can see behind me, Vinay is down and out. He has been throwing up. He's not eaten breakfast as well. The air is too thin. I can barely breathe. I can see the snow behind me. It's cold, but it's a clear day. So thankfully, that's one good sign if you ask me. And behind me, over there, you will see some vehicles which are passing. That's basically the pass right up there to those snow mountains. Hello, good morning, and welcome to the land of high passes. Finally made it to Leh. This is the place I'm staying. It's called Shaolin Homestay or Shaolin Hotel. There are a lot of homestays and hotels on this patch, so you need not worry about it. You can book it from any of the famous sites. So let's go and experience Leh. We are all a bit reluctant because we're still getting used to the weather and still getting used to breathing in this condition. But we're going to take it slow and steady, and we're going to go all the way up to the monastery. If you see the drive, the roads are like extremely smooth in day. Frankly speaking, even the drive all the way yesterday from Jispa to Leh. On the way, when you enter into the mountain ranges, the colors of the mountain and the formations of these rocks are just out of the world. You will feel like one of the Arnold Schwarzenegger movies, the one where humans settle on Mars. So yeah, that's the kind of experience that it has. So let's go to Thiksey. Welcome to Thiksey Monastery. This is the biggest monastery in the region of Ladakh. Very nice, very quiet, very peaceful environment. Hi guys, and I'm right outside one of the old temples. One of the reasons why people come to Thiksey is because obviously Dalai Lama visited here. It's probably one of the oldest monasteries of Ladakh. It's located on top of a mountain in the Thiksey village, which is about 19 kilometers from Leh, and it's at an altitude of about 3,500 meters. Now from here we head to the Leh Palace. Leh Palace stands as a silent witness to centuries of history and culture. With its commanding presence against the backdrop of the rugged Himalayas, the place embodies the essence of Ladakh's heritage. Today, as visitors ascend its ancient stairways and explore its well-preserved chambers, Leh Palace opens a window to the bygone eras, offering travelers a captivating journey into the heart of Ladakh's rich history and regal legacy. Time to head to our next stop, Shanti Stupa. Shanti Stupa is a place for meditation and prayers for Buddhist monks. This was created in the year 1991, and lately over the last few years has picked up great significance for the tourist travelers who come to Leh, as you get an amazing aerial view of the entire city from top here. Plus it's really nice and quiet. Now heading for lunch, going back to Yak Boy in Leh Market. So if you really want some authentic cuisine, then I would recommend that you go and visit there. You can park your car at the Polo Gardens and just take one of the gate exits and walk till the main market. You have to try momos, tukka, to an extent even the fried rice was amazing. So yeah, a lot of interesting items on the menu. Leh was just a part of the crazy adventure and the thrilling experience that is yet to unfold. It is
adventure, maximum adventure. We are lost. Don't know where we are heading. No network. Nobody on the road. No sign of the other car. Those tornado-looking whirlwinds, just scary and it's becoming bigger. Everybody is prepared. Seat belts on, and off we go.